Experience next-level surveillance with advanced clarity and precision. The best IPR camera delivers exceptional image quality, intelligent motion detection, and seamless remote access, ensuring your home or business stays secure and monitored around the clock with effortless reliability and confidence. Now let's get started. Number 1. REOLINK 100-foot IPR Camera. The REOLINK 100-foot IPR camera delivers impressive security performance through its combination of advanced features and ease of use. With smart person, vehicle, and animal detection, it effectively eliminates false alarms caused by irrelevant movements like passing leaves or shadows. This ensures that you receive alerts only for real threats, offering peace of mind whether you're home or away. The 5MP Super HD resolution at 30 FPS produces crisp and detailed footage, while the built-in microphone records ambient sounds for a more complete surveillance experience. The time-lapse function adds extra versatility, allowing users to condense hours of footage into short, shareable clips, perfect for monitoring projects or capturing scenic moments. The camera's PoE, or Power over Ethernet setup, allows both power and data transmission through a single cable, simplifying installation and providing a stable connection. Although a power supply is not included, the plug-and-play design makes it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. Whether used for monitoring a driveway, garden, or small business, the REOLINK 100-foot IPR camera delivers dependable clarity and functionality in all conditions, making it a practical and efficient choice for those who value high-quality security and hassle-free operation. Number 2. REOLINK RLC IPR Camera. The REOLINK RLC IPR camera stands out for its 4K Ultra HD video quality and exceptional zoom capabilities. With a 5x optical zoom at a wide 123-degree viewing angle, this camera provides an impressive combination of detail and coverage, allowing users to closely monitor distant objects without losing image clarity. Its intelligent human and vehicle detection system reduces unnecessary alerts, helping you focus on real security concerns. The full-color night vision with built-in spotlights enhances low-light performance, producing vivid nighttime footage while deterring intruders through automatic or manual light activation. The inclusion of time-lapse recording adds a creative dimension, letting users capture processes like construction projects or daily outdoor scenes in a visually appealing format. For storage, recordings can be saved locally on a microSD card, NVR, or FTP server without any hidden subscription costs, offering flexibility and control. The camera's PoE capability simplifies installation with a single cable for both power and data. Whether for home or business use, the REOLINK RLC IPR camera provides outstanding image quality, versatile recording options, and reliable smart detection, making it a premium solution for those seeking dependable and professional-grade security surveillance. Number 3. REOLINK 8-megapixel IPR camera. Engineered for exceptional clarity and coverage, the REOLINK 8-megapixel IPR camera brings cutting-edge performance to modern security systems. Its ultra-high-definition 8-megapixel resolution ensures every frame is rich in detail, while the innovative dual-lens design delivers a seamless 180-degree panoramic view. This eliminates blind spots and reduces the need for multiple cameras, saving both time and installation costs. The advanced IA detection technology distinguishes between people, vehicles, and animals, minimizing false alarms and delivering precise real-time alerts through the REOLINK app or email. The camera's IK10 vandal-proof plating makes it ideal for high-risk outdoor areas, resisting impacts and tampering attempts. Nighttime monitoring is equally impressive, with infrared and colored night vision modes that adapt to various lighting conditions. Users can even customize spotlight brightness and activation schedules for added control. With a sturdy build and adjustable rotation bracket, this camera is both durable and flexible to install. Designed for those who demand professional-grade performance, the REOLINK 8-megapixel IPR camera combines security, convenience, and intelligence, ensuring reliable protection and superior image quality day and night. Number 4. REOLINK 6-megapixel IPR camera.
The REOLINK 6-megapixel IPR camera redefines wide-angle monitoring with its 360-degree fisheye lens and exceptional 6-megapixel high-resolution imaging. This advanced lens captures an ultra-wide panoramic view that's perfect for open areas, such as retail stores, offices, or large rooms. Users can also de-warp fisheye footage to achieve distortion-free visuals, providing a more natural viewing experience. Smart human detection ensures accurate alerts while minimizing false notifications, and the customizable motion zones and alarm delay settings give users full control over how and when they are notified. The camera's infrared night vision maintains clear footage up to 26 feet, even in total darkness, ensuring constant protection around the clock. Two-way audio capability allows real-time communication, making it useful for greeting visitors or warning intruders remotely. Flexible installation options further enhance convenience, allowing the camera to adapt to various settings and surfaces. Designed for those who value comprehensive coverage and smart detection, the REOLINK 6-megapixel IPR camera blends advanced technology with practical usability, offering a reliable, high-quality surveillance solution that delivers crystal-clear visuals and robust monitoring performance in every environment.
Number 5. REOLINK 4K IPR Camera. The REOLINK 4K IPR camera delivers outstanding surveillance power through its sharp Ultra HD resolution and smart functionality. Capturing footage in true 4K, 8 megapixels clarity, at 25 frames per second, it offers 4 times the detail of standard 1080p cameras, ensuring every element, from faces to license plates, is clearly visible. Its smart human and vehicle detection filters out irrelevant movement like animals or shifting shadows, ensuring only important alerts reach your device. Through the intuitive REOLINK app, you can access live feeds, review events, and use smart playback filters to quickly find critical moments without scrolling through hours of footage. The PoE installation system simplifies setup by using a single Ethernet cable for both power and data, resulting in a cleaner and more stable connection. Whether used indoors or outdoors, this camera performs reliably in various conditions, offering flexible storage options without subscription fees. Designed for homeowners and businesses seeking precision and simplicity, the REOLINK 4K IPR camera provides professional-grade performance with effortless operation, making it an excellent choice for those who want dependable, high-resolution monitoring and advanced detection technology in one compact package. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.